Hello guys, today Tamilnadu Express completed its 44 years of service in Indian Railways. Now let's see this train's history. Tamilnadu Express is a superfast train of Indian Railways. The train starts service on 7 August 1976 by the Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. This train is introduced as Tri-Weekly Express. Tamilnadu Express runs between Chennai Central and New Delhi. It was the first state-named train in Southern Railway. When this train was introduced, the train number is 121 and 122 and had 13 compartments, held by single VAM4 between Chennai and Vijayawada. After Vijayawada junction, the line is non-electrified, so WDM2 take charge of this train from Vijayawada up to Delhi. When it was Tri-Weekly Express, it shared its slots with Andhra Pradesh Express and Kerala Express. The first superfast that connects South Metro with the state capital, the train beat the record of Grand Trunk Express, which held the superfast train status of the South. That is the fastest way to reach New Delhi, but Tamilnadu Express beat this record. But timing were not convenient for Delhi travelers, leading to Delhi and timing altered to leave Chennai in the evening. Tamilnadu Express faced another problem with the engine. When it had to hold 18 coaches, the train is regularly late up to 2 to 3 hours while on its way to New Delhi. 121 or 122 Madras New Delhi Tamilnadu Express are being run as experimental measure with 2 locomotives from 29/1/1979. It is too early to access the full implications of this experiment. Based on experience, Railway Minister Mr.George Fernandes introduced the twin locomotive concept to Tamilnadu Express and tried to fix the issue. Later, travelling time is increased to 33 hours. Tamilnadu Express was rescheduled to late night. This train runs via Vijayawada Junction, Warangal, Nagpur, Itarsi Junction, Bhopal Junction, Jhansi Junction, Gwalior, Agra Cantonment and Hazrat Nizamuddin to reach New Delhi. There is no stops between Chennai Central and Vijayawada Junction. It takes just 6 hours to reach Vijayawada Junction from Chennai Central and 6 hours 50 minutes for Vijayawada Junction to Chennai Central. The non-stop run of 431 km between Vijayawada Junction and Chennai Central is the second largest inter-halt journey for any train other than the Thiruvananthapuram Rajdhani or Duronto Express. And Kerala Sampark Karanti Express runs non-stop up to 528 km. It is the first longest inter-halt journey in India between Vadodara and Kota. Tamilnadu Express had lots of demands and gets about 24 coaches from ICF, which is CBC type. Generally, it contains 6 AC coaches, 13 sleeper classes, and 1 pantry car, and 2 general coaches, and 2 luggage cars. These all are CBC rack. Tamilnadu Express generally held by WAP 7 class locomotives from Rayapuram shed or WAP 4 class locomotives from Erode or Arakonam sheds for its entire journey on nowadays. Now this train numbered as 12621 and 12622 and belongs to superfast category. Tamilnadu Express considered as fastest non-Rajdhani express train. This train is not running in this curfew. After lockdown, this train will start its journey with new LHB coaches and eliminated the CBC racks. A set of coaches are allotted to this train. After lockdown, this train runs with LHB coaches. If you wanted to know about LHB coaches, I give the video link in description. Interested means check it. All rail fans are waiting to see this train with LHB coaches. A small video for you.
நாங்கண்ணா யார் யாரு?
நான் தாராவி எஸ்ஐ கணேஷ், லீஜர் பார் ஓனர் மகத்தோட ஃப்ரெண்டு பிரேம், கடைசியில தான் வந்து சேர்ந்தாரு விநாயக்.
விநாயக்கா அது யாரு?